Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter. This is week 16, and I did a steampunk one. As you know, recently, like I am, I've been videoing these ahead of time. Scott's uncle gave me a bunch of bolts, knots, chains, so I decided, steampunk time, pocket letter. So, I had just found some cool images off Google, and here we go. Now this is a bolt, some chain, and then I have this clock. Images is what's cool about this pocket letter, actually, more than the stuff in it. Little bolt. I don't know what that's for, but it was cool looking. I got chain going down the edge. I love the cat. It's like he's a cat. So cool. And a girl. Some chain. And Mona Lisa. Ain't that cool? Love this guy. And then that girl. I know it's really dark, guys. And the paper, it's hard to see because of the images. Let's see. Yeah, right here. Let's see. The paper, I made it. My background paper. And then once you turn it over, I did a backside, of course. Got Mona Lisa again. You can see a little bit more of the paper on this side. Got bolts, knots, chain, you name it. It's on here. Added this thing in front of the eyeball. Thought it was kind of cool looking. And I just have that wire. I don't know what you want to call it. Should I call it wire mesh or whatever? I've had it for years. But I'm running pretty low. I'll have to figure out and find some more of this. This is all I got left. And I use it a lot, so I'll have to see. For Christmas, I guess somebody told me to look for it. Then over here, I just have a gold chain. I got a bolt on there, a key on there, a gear, and another gear. Just kind of dangle. Just made a little dangle. Let's try it one more time. I keep picking glue off here when I see it. So there's the first row. And the second. And the third. Then we're going to flip. Okay. I keep looking at this blue one. See, this is Tina, the process. Looking at something like, I wonder how it would look. If you find it. There we go. Oh, see, that looks cool. See, you're watching. Just some glue. And that looks cool. There we go. Just down a little bit. See, you see me out into it during a video. That looks so cool. Alright, let's show you one more. Isn't that cool now? Yeah. It's like I did it on this one. A different thing. There we go. It's amazing what you can use. Raid your husband's toolbox or tool room. I didn't. Scott's Scott's aunt and uncle, they've lived in the same house for almost 58 years. And they're up there in years, so they're selling their house and moving into a rental. So he's going through years of stuff. I got more jars to go through that have metal in it. So we will see. Okay. Awesome, hey? Alrighty. I think that looks cool. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Hey, just remember you can still join the 30 weeks of Pocket Letter, you know? Just create a little Pocket Letter, load it on Wednesdays after 2 Central Standard Time, and join in the fun and just use the hashtag 30 weeks PL. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.